Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have another beautiful vertical pattern for you. As you can see here, this is really nice and you can use it for a hat, bag, scarf or any other knitting pattern you like. For the pattern we need to have, in this specific pattern we need to have 5 stitches, but it's up to you if you want to use the stitch between this pattern 2 or 3. That's why I cannot say specific stitches. Is up to you, but just you should know that this pattern needs to have 5 stitches. Let's get started. I'm going to make just only one to show you how it looks like. For the first row, what we have to do, we are going to take the first one as an edge, then pull 2 stitches. As I told you, we need to have 5 stitches like a knit stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then again you should do the separation. In this case just I use 2 stitches. We are going to do the next row, just knit 2 like a separation stitch, pull 5 stitches like this and knit 2 again, just a separation. The pattern now we can start right now. What we have to do after separation, as you can see here, now we have 5 stitches. We are going to knit these all 5 together, but before we take it out we are going to do yarn over and knit one more time like that. As you can see here, these 5 stitches become 3 like that. Then do the separation and the last stitches. What we have to do for the next row, we are going to pull and knit these 2 separation. Now we have 3 stitches. We are going to yarn over, then pull these 3 stitches, yarn over again and do the separation like this. For next row, what we have to do after separation, just we are going to knit the stitches 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. As you can see here, again we have 5 stitches. We keep continue until the end of the row. Next row also, what we have to do, just pull these 5 stitches and the separation. Now it's time to again do the pattern. It means that after 4 rows your pattern should look like that. It means that you have to take these 5 stitches together, knit 1, yarn over and knit 1 like this, then take it out in 3 stitches and we repeat the pattern. If you repeat these 4 rows, after few rows your pattern should look like that. As you can see here, this is the front side and this is the back side of the job. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.